Okay, so I'm going to be telling you how to tell if a girl does not like you as a friend, not like she likes you as a crush or anything. How to tell that she does not want to be your friend. So one way I tell, hi Brian, if a girl doesn't want to be your friend, that was awkward, is if you say hi to her and she does not respond, she looks at you so you know that she heard you, but she just doesn't respond. I've done that to some people that, like, I don't know if they want to be my friend or something, but they'll say hi to me, I'll just look at them and not respond. It's kind of rude, but yeah. Another way is if you do respond, if they do say hi. Like, if they say hi to you and then I respond saying hi and then looking away really quickly, I want them to quit talking to me right then and there. I don't want to keep talking to them. So that's another way I'll tell if a girl does not want to be your friend. Another way is that if someone texts you saying hi and you just reply saying hi, they don't want to keep talking to you. They just want to stop. So don't keep asking them. Or if you want to go like hang out at the mall with some of your friends and you text her just saying, hey, want to come hang out with me? Or something like that, like we're all going to go to the mall or to a fair or something. And she has an excuse every single time, or she says no every single time. She probably doesn't want to be friends with you. Another way is if she just plain tells you to your face, I do not like you and I don't want to be friends with you. Then she's most likely doesn't like you because she just told you that. If you have a very funny joke and it's genuinely funny and everyone around you is laughing and she's just sitting there and she's not going to laugh at all and she's not going to do anything, she doesn't think you're funny even though it actually was funny, and she just doesn't, she probably doesn't want to be your friend. So this is just some ways that I've learned that a girl doesn't want to be your friend. I've done some of the things in this video, but not all of them, because I think that some of them are really rude, and I don't like to be rude all the time. So yeah, that's just some ways that I've learned, and from what I've seen of my friends, that I actually have friends, which is kind of amazing because I don't really have friends. But yeah, that's some ways, and get the Seahawk in the background. Okay, bye guys.